When I tell you that this type of challenge isn't my favourite, where we have to just answer lots of questions fragmentedly and then join them together, it's not my favourite, but let's look at what we did. So, for example, we want to count our country that gets the most days off. So we've got grouping by a country, counting how many rows there are, sorting that into descending order, just taking the first, and then transposing that so that we have the country and the count on different rows, then just using a text input with the country the most holidays and how many, and using a join by record position to make sure that they line up for feeding into a union tool. The next part really annoyed me because we were trying to find which countries share holidays. And I thought that meant literally the celebration. So I was looking at the holiday names and I was trying to match them up. So, for example, Good Friday isn't always called Good Friday across the entire data set. Sometimes it's called like the Latin name, sometimes it's called the name in the country that it's in. We can see that there with stuff like Easter Day, Labor Day, where it's got the translation as well as the language of that country. Ugh, so frustrating. So I was trying to do lots of complicated things to clean it up and get out just the particular name that it's called, but actually what they want you to do is group on the holiday day. Ugh, so they might be celebrating different holidays on that day, but they will have that day off. So we group by the date and we count the distinct country names, and then we also make sure that we have those side by side in our field too. Then we find out which ones have are the only ones who are off on that day, and we aggregate that for each country so that again we're left with Israel having the most unique days off, which isn't hard when it has the most days off anyway. So there we go. We've got, sorry, the next part of our puzzle is Israel and 15. Then we want to know which is the most popular day to have off, and I think we can all already guess that that is going to be Christmas Day, and we just want to make sure that they all line up. Again, most shared date, by how many, which countries, and there we go. That is our full data set for this challenge. Let me know if you got frustrated by the condition that it's just the date rather than the actual holiday that was being celebrated, although I mean you can argue that Christmas is definitely probably going to be Christmas everywhere. But anyway, hope that was useful if you found yourself struggling with that too. Thanks for watching.